When you're shopping for a portable DAC or amp, two standout options from iBasso are the Nunchaku and the DC Elite. They are a compact dongle form factor, but their design philosophies differ a lot. Which one should you pick? Let's compare head to head. So Nunchaku uses Cirrus Logic CS43198 DAC chips, accepts PCM up to 32 bits 768 kHz and DSD 512, and outputs via balanced 4.4mm or single-ended 3.5mm. Its defining feature is a selectable tube amplification mode with Raytheon JAN vacuum tubes and a Class AB solid-state mode, so you can choose between warm, analog-like sound or more neutral and clean. Power output is generous, up to 525 milliwatts at 32 ohms balanced in tube mode, enough to drive many IEMs and even some headphones. Its pros include it being versatile, tube or solid state depending on your mood or music genre. Tube mode gives a warm, rich analog timbre. Many listeners describe it as more musical or laid back. Strong power output, good for IEMs and harder to drive headphones. Feature rich, DAC supports high-res audio. PCM DSD has multiple filters and a display volume dial for quick control. However, tube mode can add a slight hiss or noise floor with very sensitive IEMs. For maximum transparency, some may prefer the cleaner Class AB mode, slightly larger and more complex than a straight dongle, may be more than needed if you only listen casually. The DC Elite uses a ROHM BD34301 EKV DAC chip with a full current output architecture, an internal FPGA plus femtosecond clock for low jitter, and supports high-res audio up to 32 bit 768 kHz and DSD 512. Balanced output delivers up to 280 milliwatts at 32 ohms balanced, enough for many headphones and most IEMs. The DAC features a 24-step analog volume control, low output impedance of less than 0.4 ohms, and a very low noise floor. Great for critical listeners and sensitive IEMs. Its pros include having reference-grade clarity, very low noise and distortion, excels at detail retrieval, soundstage precision, accurate imaging, ideal for critical listening, compact and efficient, simple design, works plug and play with phones and laptops. And a balanced output and clean signal path make it suitable for neutral, revealing headphones or IEMs. However, it's less fun or character. Some listeners find it too analytical or cold compared to tube-based DAC. For music genres or headphones where warm and analog feel matter, DC Elite's neutrality might feel less emotionally engaging. The final verdict: if you value detail, neutrality, and precision for critical listening, or when you want to hear every nuance without coloration, DC Elite is your go-to. It's a reference tool in a dongle form factor. If you care more about musicality, emotional warmth, and versatility, and maybe drive harder to power headphones, Nunchaku shines, especially with tube mode engaged. It's more fun, more character-driven. In short, use DC Elite for clarity and truth. Use Nunchaku for soul and character. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.